Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share to my video. So guys, we all know of the ongoing case about Andrew Holness, who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, whereby his name was linked to several or multiple bank accounts. Now, this case, we heard that it will be reviewed by the judicial board. So what does this mean for Andrew Holness and for the Jamaicans? Is Andrew Holness guilty or not guilty? So guys, there is this video. I want you to have a look at it, and then I'll be back with more comments.
Imagine this. You're accused of breaking the rules in a game you didn't even know you were playing. Sounds unfair, right? Well, this is the storm brewing in Jamaica as Prime Minister Andrew Holness once again locks horns with the Integrity Commission. But is this about justice, politics, or something else entirely? Let's explore. Jamaica's Integrity Commission recently dropped a bombshell. Allegations tying the Prime Minister to a high-end residential development in St. Andrew. They claim Estate Bridge Holdings Limited, the company behind the project, breached building permit conditions, and somehow Holness is allegedly linked to it. But the Prime Minister has categorically denied any connection to the company, its property, or its dealings. He's even roped in his lawyers to review the Commission's findings. His take: the report reeks of a targeted attack. And if you're thinking, haven't I heard this before? You're right. This isn't his first tango with the Integrity Commission. This spat feels eerily familiar. Just a few months back, Holness faced allegations over discrepancies in his financial declarations. The Integrity Commission couldn't confirm or deny his compliance, leaving a cloud of suspicion hanging over him. In fact, Prime Minister Holness has been granted permission for a judicial review to invalidate 2 Integrity Commission reports questioning his statutory declarations and financial dealings. The court ruled he met the threshold to challenge the reports due to their potential adverse impact on his rights, but denied his bid to compel the Commission to certify his 2022 and 2023 declarations. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing yet another public showdown. But is this about governance, or is it personal? Before we answer that, let's talk about the other players in this saga: Estate Bridge Holdings. The directors of Estate Bridge aren't holding back. Their defense: the Integrity Commission has it all wrong. They insist the construction is fully compliant and that room counts meet the approved plans. Any observed differences, they argue, are typical tweaks during construction, not outright breaches. But here's where it gets juicier. Estate Bridge accuses the Commission of bad timing, claiming the report coincides suspiciously with their own legal battles against the Commission. Coincidence or calculated move? You decide. What does this mean for Jamaica? This isn't just a legal squabble, it's a reflection of something deeper. The Integrity Commission plays a vital role in holding leaders accountable. But when its actions are repeatedly questioned, it raises doubts about whether the watchdog is being weaponized or simply doing its job. Now, here's something you might not know. 1. Jamaica's Integrity Commission has faced criticism before for its alleged lack of transparency. 2. This marks the second time in under a year that Prime Minister Holness has called in his legal team against the Commission, a rare move for a sitting leader. Is this just another chapter in Jamaica's political drama, or are we witnessing a pivotal moment for accountability in governance? One thing is certain: trust in leadership and institutions is at stake. So, what do you think? Is the Integrity Commission shining a light on real issues, or is this a vendetta against the Prime Minister? Share your thoughts below. If you found this eye-opening, Don't forget to like, share.
Once again, welcome back, and I believe that you've watched the video up to the end. Now guys, we've been having cases of Jamaicans complain about the governance of Mr. Andrew Holness. Like for instance, there were some cases about the bauxite mining which were going on in Jamaica, whereby the Jamaicans were complaining that Mr. Andrew Holness gave out or rather gave that contract to foreigners, whereby the bauxite mining had some health effects on the Jamaicans, and they were complaining that the Prime Minister has forgotten about them. Like the Prime Minister doesn't care about them at all. So guys, you tell me, what if? And also we've had several rumors that the Integrity Commission, they have been given out some misinformation, or rather some incorrect information about the number of cases being forwarded to them. So so you tell me, what happens if Andrew Holness is found guilty of the charges pressed, or rather the 28 charges linked to his name? What happens? And also, what happens if Andrew Holness is found not guilty? What happens to the Integrity Commission? Could there be somebody who is interfering with the figures? So we all know that the election period is almost around, and we have two major parties in Jamaica, which is the JLP and the PNP, which is the JLP led by Mr. Andrew Holness himself, and the PNP led by Mr. Mark Golding. We know whichever results that comes out, whichever results that the Integrity Commission, or rather now the Judicial Board, because it's the one currently reviewing the case about the 28 charges linked to Mr. Andrew Holness. We all know that whichever results will come out, either of the parties will suffer a major blow. So guys, involve me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. I'm your host Larry. Remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I have to say thank you, and to my new subscribers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. And guys, until we meet again, peace out.